Friday, February 21st. We had this big rain and stuff after a snowstorm, and 7:25. I only got that many papers left. I'm on my route. I'm on Holland Hill. And now I run into snow. This is the most snow I've seen all morning. And there's been no sand trucks up here yet. And this is slush too. It's like 40 degrees out probably. So this is really thick. It's not easy to drive in. This one I do going up. It's going to be wicked hard today, and I'm going to even make it harder. I'm going to try to film it for you. I got to get the paper ready. Hang on a second.
No, I haven't had an operation or anything. Oh, I've only had a holistic treatment.
Here's Ines talking about his cancer.
He sort of had his prostate out. But there are dramatic lifestyle changes you have to make.
You're adding more organic. Okay, hang on. You're almost out of the room.
How does it feel down there? How does it feel down there? What are you eating now? 25 after the hour.
Actually, I'm going to wrap a bagged one in case it bounces out. I won't have to back up and put it back in further.
Time for a birdie briefing. I don't know. I'll bring you there my pillow. I'll bring you with this.
Here we go.
Wolf in Sochi. It turns out the Wolf was in actually his studio. They rebuilt a replica of the.
I might have started it too early. Shit. Whoa, I'm already sideways. Whoa!
Jimmy Kimmel came out after the Wolf.
Right here, I gotta go over in this deep shit.
Anyway, it's a beautiful thing. Now, he also went into all this Olympic hockey, men's and women's, what's happening in Sochi.
Not today.
The Olympics game between Afghanistan and Jamaica.
Usually I could go right in and right out, even during storm day, but because I was trying to do it one-handed, I got pulled in. If I weren't holding the camera, I still could have probably done it. Because trying to steer, I had to go with my knee. See, I had the camera in one hand, and my hand I had to put the paper in the tube, see? And I steer with my knee when I do that. See, like this? See, like, watch this one. This one's a little easier, but still hard. Whoa! Oh, see, I missed it altogether.
Will Smith by mistake earlier, but he had a Will
Don't give me that. I'm going to run right over it. Fuck it.
He said security was tight. He opened the show with this.
It's underneath the car right now.
Security is very tight backstage. Before I came out, this one guy spent like 5 minutes patting me down. And then the Secret Service said, "This guy broke his down." And I go,
oh, there it is right there.
Not the Lego movie.
There you go, Jimmy Fallon.
All right, let's get out of here.
Interviewed on the show for a long time. I think it was the Conan O'Brien by contrast from last night.
Speaking of the Kardashians, Kim, Khloe, and Kourtney Kardashian are all unveiling a line of clothing for girls. Yeah, the Kardashians said, "We want to inspire women of all ages with the message that if you set your mind to it, there's no one you can't do." And could you...
Here's where I turn around.
A serial killer like
This customer in Holland Hill. I come in the driveway. Oh, he's out too. Here he is. Walking with his dog. I'm gonna film him. He's all paranoid. He thinks I'm gonna hit his car. He gets all nervous. Grabs his dog like it's gonna run out in front of me. Oh, the other dog's up. Yeah. Hi there, puppy. You gonna be afraid if I throw the paper? Oh, good. No, you stay there. No. Oh, you stay there. Hi. Hi there, puppy. How you doing today? I happen to be filming. Oh, he's good. Sat right there. Oh, whoops, careful. Yeah, oh, good. Boy, female or male?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you have a good day. Well, there's 10 minutes gone there, maybe 15, talking to him, Chris Sproat.
Number one.
That's Chris and Mary.
Watch the last 3 minutes on TV. They actually just what a complete show.
They're talking about the Olympics. Girls hockey lost the gold medal. They were leading 2-0 in the 4 minutes left, and then 2-1, and then they end up losing 3-2 in overtime for the gold against Canada. But anyway, we're talking about the route and how I've been doing it this many years and how I still like it. And I was telling them how, well, the reason why is because it's like snowmobiling, you know, it's like trail riding. It's like I grew up with a dirt bike, snowmobiles, and a four-wheel drive truck in the 80s, you know, and that's what this is like every day. It's like going trail riding every day. Morning. Mary out there. That was Mac and Mary. I was just telling Chris about him. Oh man, I hope she's not going to be out there too now. I want to talk to her too. Jeez, I just talked to Mary and Chris. Running late as it is. But anyway, we got a lot of slush up here in Holland Hill. It's the only place we got this. I mean, you're talking, well, see, it don't seem like there's as much here. Guys, driveway work is good. There's 5 or 6 inches. Of course, that is up another little knoll, but no higher than what we're climbing right here. This right turn around up here. There's only one customer up here. This is the top of Parkman Wood Road, which is off the top of Holland Hill Road. See, snowplow turnaround, no parking. Whoa!
The Canadian Shunland is their thing. As Kimmel said, it's like Canada beating us in childhood obesity. That's how I think you watched Rob Ford after we're so high. Did you see Rob Ford yesterday, I did? No, I did not. They went down with much other choice.
I'm on the blacktop now, West Hill. I just came on the West Hill from the bottom of Putney Mountain and Holland Hill. The intersection went right straight across the road into the snowbank. Slippery shit, man. I'm going down the bottom West Hill and get that done and come back up. Because I'm ending the route up here. I'm almost done.